Hi there, guys. Okay, so today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a left-handed tutorial. This is very beginner stuff. This is how to make a basic chain. So we're going to start with a slip knot. We're going to insert our hook onto our loop that we've made with our slip knot. We're going to yarn over and pull that through our loop. And we're just going to keep doing that. You put the yarn over your hook and you pull that through your loop. And that's really all there is to making a chain. You can make a chain for miles if you want to. You can make a chain that's, just a couple stitches. But that's really all there is to it. You just put the yarn over your hook and pull it through the loop that's already on your hook. And you're creating all these little stitches, these little V-shaped stitches. On the top part, they're these little V's. Hopefully you can see them there. And on the back side, it's like the spine. It almost looks like a spine, like a backbone. There's all these little bumps. And that's all there is to it.